As companies cut workers and freeze wages, it may seem that asking for a raise in a recession is pointless. But for workers with outstanding value and a little finesse, it can be done.
8 on your side, consumer reporter Brian Roach tells you how.
Negotiating a raise during a recession starts long before you sit down across the desk from your boss.
One of the biggest things is you really have to know your company's priorities, their needs, their most urgent issues.
Career coach Ford Myers is the author of Get the Job You Want Even When No One's Hiring. He says his clients are getting raises in a recession by showing the value they're bringing to the company on a consistent basis.
Well, you need to keep records. You need to really compare yourself to the other employees. You need to tie your productivity in, again, with the company's needs, challenges, and problems.
And that means having something tangible to hand to the boss, if you need to.
I tell my clients to keep what's called a success file. This is all the time, not just at the point of negotiation, not just when you're trying to get a raise.
Myers says you should also know your boss's priorities, their way of thinking, and be prepared to offer more work in return for more money.
Yes, I believe that successful people, especially people who are looking for higher compensation, should put their hand up and ask for more responsibility.
Asking for a raise may be one of the most difficult conversations you'll ever have, and it's not a conversation that should happen on the spur of the moment.
Absolutely must be rehearsed. This is something that you should not improvise. You do not want to wing it. You want to know your strategy before you go in. You want to have practiced this a lot in advance.
So to summarize, here are 4 things to keep in mind. First, know your company's needs and priorities. Next, keep a success file of your achievements. Third, be prepared to offer more to get more. And finally, rehearse the ask before you ask. I'm Brian Roach, on your side, News 8.